It's a vegan restaurant. No. So there's no meat, no nothing.
No meat, no onion, no garlic.
Are you sure? Like there's no meat? Okay. Okay. It's a tip. Okay. Okay. Well, in that case.
What is it? Oh my God, Prabhu! Go outside, please. Prabhu, go outside, please.
What do you want?
He's eating chicken here.
No, but that's the vegetarian shop. We can't eat him. Get out. Call to Kakaravan.
Throw some. Throw some. Throw some. Throw some. Chicken.
You don't do it. Yeah, are you enjoying this? This is a business shop.
Excuse me, you're actually violating somebody's religion. This is not fair.
Bring the chicken.